Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be talking about a face mask, and it's this gold foil peel off mask. I got it from Target for $3, and there they had two more variants for this mask. Those were silver foil mask and rose gold foil mask, so you can try those out. I got the gold foil mask and I thought of trying it out in front of you guys and see how I feel about it. At the back you can see the directions how to apply this mask, and it says apply a thin layer of oil peel off mask onto cleansed skin, leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, and then gently peel it off in a downward motion, and rinse off your face with warm water or facial toner. So that sounds good, and it says it's made in South Korea, so I think it's a Korean beauty product. I don't know, I haven't used any mask from like a Korean thing because they are really hyped on YouTube, Korean beauty products. So it will be an interesting thing to see how this thing like feels on my face and what are the effects. So that's how the mask looks like, and you can take it off like so. And at the back you can see little more details. It says it's from Look Beauty Mask Bar and made in South Korea. So that's how the thing is. Now I'll be opening it up and seeing what it looks like from inside. So guys, that's how the actual mask looks like, and it smells like Elmer's glue. I don't know why, but it smells exactly like glue to me, and this thing has shimmer in it. I don't know, I doubt such products which has like so much cosmetic thing in it. I mean, what beauty benefit would they give to me? I mean, I'm doubtful. I don't like my masks to look pretty, but I want them to make my skin look pretty. So that's how the mask look like. It's a basic yellowish kind of gluey smelling thing which has shimmer in it. So I'll be seeing like how it will apply on my face and what are the effects. So I'm using my e.l.f. brush. I use it to apply all my face masks. So let's just start. It has a lot of shimmer and it has gluey consistency. It feels like as if I'm applying glue on my face. That's the mask, and it's looking really pretty, and the only thing I hate about it is it's smelling like Elmer's glue. So we shall see what beauty benefits we get from this mask, and I still have a lot of it left. So it's almost half the quantity which is left, and I can easily get one more use out of it. So I'll be saving this, and after some time when this mask dries, I'll come back, peel it off, and share my views with you guys. Welcome back guys, and my mask has almost dried. I can feel it's a little wet over here, but rest everywhere it's like dried, and it's more than 15 minutes now. So I decided to go ahead and take it off. So as it says in the packaging, I'll try to remove it from top to bottom. So it's pretty easy to get it from here, and yeah, it's peeling off easily. You can see I can't feel any pain or anything. It's like peeling off really easily. It's not pulling on any of my hair, so I quite like that. That's the whole mask and it came off so easily. So guys, that's how my skin looks like after applying this mask, and I do see specks of glitter on my face here and there. They are very minute, as I told you before, they were in the mask itself, so that's that. But my skin is feeling soft and supple. It's not feeling dry and stretchy as it was feeling before. I think that's because of the oils, and this mask was not at all difficult to remove as some of other masks, because it had oil, so it was pretty easy to take off. It didn't pull down any of my facial hair. So that's that, and it was really fun trying out this mask. If you guys want me to try out more masks, do let me know in the comment box below. And that was all for this video guys. I'll catch you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.